Ras Laffan attack. Iranian missiles struck Ras Laffan industrial city, Qatar, home to the world's biggest LNG facility, hours after Israel hit South Pars, the world's largest natural gas-filled share between Iran and Qatar. The attack has major implications for global LNG supply and India's energy security. The attack and its escalation. Israel struck South Pars gas-filled. Iran retaliated by targeting energy infrastructure in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Qatar's Ras Laffan. Ras Laffan accounts for roughly one-fifth of global LNG supply. Its production, liquefaction, and export units are all concentrated there. Brent crude, already above $100 per barrel, briefly hit $119 before setting at $112, about 50% above pre-war levels. Qatar had already suspended LNG production earlier this month following a smaller attack. The latest strike caused sizable fires and extensive damage. Why Ras Laffan strike matters. Unclear how long gas output will take to normalize even if the war stops. Concerns have moved upstream to production and supply infrastructure, not just transit routes. US President Trump stated Washington had no advance knowledge of the Israeli attack and warned Israel against further strikes on South Pars, threatening to blow up the entirety of South Pars if Qatar LNG facilities were attacked. Strategic importance of Ras Laffan. Ras Laffan accounts for roughly one-fifth of global LNG supply. Disruptions have directly affected global LNG flows and energy security. Qatar has already suspended production temporarily after earlier attacks. Why Ras Laffan matters for India. India imports 88% of crude oil and 50% of its gas needs. Qatar supplies one-third of India's LPG and nearly half of its LNG. Earlier, disruptions were limited to Strait of Hormuz shipping delays. Now, physical damage to processing facilities makes recovery far slower and uncertain. India's LNG dependency. Qatar is India's largest LNG source. India depends on LNG for roughly half its natural gas demand. Over two-fifths of India's LNG comes from Qatar, almost entirely from Ras Laffan. In 24-25, India imported 27 million tons of LNG, 11.2 million tons, 41.4% came from Qatar. Qatar Energy's production capacity is 77 million TPA, expanding to 81 million TPA by 2025. Impact on long-term gas contracts. India's major energy firms hold long-term supply agreements with Qatar. Petronet LNG imports about 7.5 million tons per annum. GSPC imports around 1 MTPA. GAIL imports a smaller volume. India consumes 189 mmSCMD of natural gas but produces only 90 mmSCMD domestically. Gulf import disruption and force majeure declaration are now squeezing the gap. Broader economic implications for India. Rising fuel cost may increase inflation and fiscal pressure. Government and oil companies may have to absorb price shocks. LPG shortages and delays indicate early signs of domestic stress. Qatar as a trade partner added stake. Bilateral trade touched $14 billion plus in 24-25, dominated by energy. India imports LNG, LPG and petrochemicals, exports cereals, machinery and metals. A prolonged conflict risks disrupting both energy supply and trade balance. India diversifying away from the Gulf. Previously, 60% of LPG imports came from Qatar, UAE, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. India is now sourcing from US, Norway, Canada, Algeria and Russia. This reduces geopolitical risk but raises cost due to longer shipping routes.